Well, it's me, and you see I'm in a hoodie. Everybody's in a hoodie down here. It's only like 60 degrees in Miami area. Yeah, kind of sucks. It's a pretty view, but it's a cool one. There's nobody out here. All the women have put their clothes back on. No more bikinis, not for a day or two. So I hate to say this. It's a beautiful day out. Nope. But it's just too damn cold to hang out at the beach. So I guess, like it or not, it's probably a good day to work. And I just can't believe I'm even saying that. No day's a good day to work. But that's what I'm going to do. I'll have to hang out at the beach later in the week. It's supposed to warm back up in a couple of days. Well, peace out, beaches. I'll holler at you later. Just thought you might want to see good morning from the beach. Have a good one.